Media upload quality not showing in WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can solve if the media upload quality isn't showing on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the media upload quality isn't not showing, it's just that they have moved the place to somewhere else. Now first of all, you want to make sure that you're using an up-to-date version of WhatsApp. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for WhatsApp and make sure that you have updated it to the latest version. Then after you've done that, then you can just go ahead and tap on the open option over here. Now let's say you want to search for someone and then simply send them a high quality photo. Then you can tap on this little option, select gallery, and then just select a photo. Now in order to send a media in an HD quality, the photo itself must be in an HD quality, otherwise this HD option will not show up. So now the upload quality has been changed to the top of the media. When you tap the HD option here and then you select the HD quality option here, then you can see photo has been set to HD quality. Now you can go ahead and then simply send them the image. Whether you want to send them in disappearing or whatever else it is that you want to do, you can simply go ahead and then send them. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then solve if the media upload quality isn't showing. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.